I know it's been a while. Our call for code submission video coming up. Call for Code, now in its third year, it's a competition that invites developers and problem solvers to come together and build solutions that tackle problems facing our world. Created by David Clark Cause, which happens to be a leader in creating cause-related initiatives, and was also supported by its founding partner, IBM. IBM hosted an internal version of Call for Code, which invited IBMers worldwide to come together, make teams, and focus on building solutions to tackle some of the world's toughest problems, leveraging our technology. And this year's topic was COVID-19. I'm proud to say there were no shortage of IBMers that answered the call. There were amazing submissions from all over the world. Teams built apps that allow you to sing and play music remotely, but together. Apps that help teachers and educators build and manage content to help with remote learning, and so much more. I am humbled and proud to be a member of the team that won this year's competition. After it was announced that the team had won, people reached out to me directly and asked, "What did you build? What did your submission look like? How are you able to talk about it in the context of COVID?" These were all great questions, and I figured that with the permission of the team, I would just share our submission video with everyone. When COVID-19 entered our lives, suddenly there was so much insecurity and uncertainty all around us. Everything completely changed, and still is. All of a sudden, there were so many questions. How can I keep my family safe? When will there be a vaccine? Unfortunately, anytime there is uncertainty and confusion, it's opportunity for criminals. Since the pandemic hit, cybercriminals have been exploiting our need for accurate, authoritative information. They have been impersonating the brands we trust and the authorities we turn to for answers in times of panic. IBM has seen millions of email phishing campaigns just like this. Cybercriminals disguising themselves as legitimate sources, trying to get unsuspecting users to click on COVID-19 lures, emails, and even text messages that you would normally not suspect are now not what they seem. That is why we created Karmen. Karmen is a progressive web application that runs on your web browser or on your mobile device. It allows you or anyone to easily and freely check if an email or a text message is malicious. Karmen is powered by IBM Watson, living in the IBM cloud. Let's check out a demo of Karmen. When you start up Karmen, you'll notice a couple of key indicators up at the top. The first is the number of runs that have been validated, the amount of spam that's been detected, and an indicator of compromise count. This allows us to track usage on how many people are actually using Karmen and how much data it's processing. Below, in the text area, users can simply copy and paste text from a suspicious email message or text message. They can also simply use an upload image or take a screenshot. So for example, if a text message were to come in, the user can simply snap a screenshot of that text message. Karmen uses OCR, or Object Character Recognition, to extract the text from the screenshot image. The resulting text will be placed automatically for you in the text box. We will inform Karmen that this is an SMS text message, and then we will check it for spam. The sample I'm using here was an actual spam text message related to COVID-19. Further, Karmen tells me to not interact with this message. Now, if I did not want to copy-paste text or take a screenshot, I could also forward an email to Karmen. By clicking the button here, Karmen's email address is copied to my clipboard. I can then simply go to my favorite email application, find a suspicious message that I would like to test, and use the native forward capability. Within a few minutes, I will get a reply from Karmen telling me if the message is spam or not. Finally, you'll notice at the bottom of the app, Karmen provides a COVID cyber tip. These are tips curated by IBM Security cyber experts, helping to spread a security-aware culture. Our team came together virtually, combining our skills in user experience, human factors, artificial intelligence, and interface engineering to create Karmen. On behalf of Team Karmen, thank you for the opportunity to contribute to the call for code. So there you have it. What's next for Team Karmen? We are currently working within our organization to open source that code base so others can contribute to it, and we can continue to fight spam and scams. Now, if you'd like more information about the tools, the techniques, the methodology, and the tech that we use to build that Karmen app in just a 6-week time frame, leave me a comment down below. That might make for a pretty good video. If you'd like more information about Call for Code, I will leave a link in the description below. I am overwhelmed with gratitude, pride, and appreciation for Team Karmen. And I want to congratulate all the teams that participated internally and externally in answering the call. Together, we can change the world one line of code at a time. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.